We'll guide you through how to delete all Google activity. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on Google, and for whatever reason you want to clear and delete your Google activity history. We're guiding you through this step by step. Perhaps you want to go and have a fresh start. Google will go and give you recommendations and personalization based on this as well, so maybe you want to go and have a reset there as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure it is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do is come to google.com as I already have done here. You can go to the top right and make sure you're signed into your account and go and click on your profile picture like so. Go down and you can find the option for manage your Google account and you can go and click there like so, and you'll then be brought here. Now, what you need to do is you want to come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for data and privacy and you want to go and click there. Then what you can do is you can scroll down and you want to go and find the option for view my activity. That will then bring you to your Google activity, as you can see, and you're going to go and scroll down, you can start seeing it, see the different things you've done here. So what you then want to do is you can come over to the right and you're going to go and see the option for delete, which you want to go and click on at the top of the list, and you can choose a time frame. So we're going to do all time, and you're then going to go and see all the different products. Because we want to do all of them, we've got them all selected, and you can then go and press next in the bottom right, and you can then go and confirm that you want to delete the following activity. When you're ready, you can go and press delete in the bottom right. And as you can see, it now says deletion complete. The activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So you can go and press got it. If we then scroll down and we still see stuff, you can go and press delete again, press all time, and it'll then show you it here, and you can go and press delete again and press got it. And as you can see, there's now no activity there. And also, if you want to here, you can go and turn these options off. So I could press this here, and what I could do is actually go and turn off the activity being saved. So I could press turn off to the right, and I can go and turn it off if I wanted to.